Hi, you join me here in Somerset. It's just got light and I'm just about to make my way down to Minehead to jump on the alley cat with Dave Roberts on a species hunt with some good friends. Hopefully we catch a few and hopefully I'll get it on camera. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for all the positive feedback. Cheers. Smashing it. He had like a sheen on him though, didn't they? After that amazing fly pass from the Chinook, Dave spotted a shoal of feeding fish from the wheelhouse. We've all been there, we're all rushing round, we didn't know what it was, everyone's trying to get their feathers on, and as you can see, Dave himself, even with all the experience, was having a nightmare. It was really funny, the language was amazing, and that's why I've deleted the audio. Cheers, Dave. Coming over, Jake. What is it? Schoolies. Schoolies. Yeah. Schooly bass. Oh, got me bass! Unfortunately, as you just seen, they weren't actually bait fish. Well, they were schooly bass. It was one for the species list for James, but we weren't going to hang around. On to the next mark where we fish for even bigger bass. Our bass setup was really simple. All we used was a Portland rig to an 8-ounce ball lead to 10 foot of fluorocarbon to a soft plastic. In Cliff? Yeah, he's... Oh. No, he's not in now. No. Fish on. There might be. I've got a fish on there. I think I dropped it. That's it, coming at me. We might be tangled up. Oh, were we? One of the others got a fish. Oh, right, yeah, there's a fish on. Yeah, fish on. That's two. You get one each? Yeah. Look at this, look. Double netting by Dave. That's how he does it. As you can see, Andy from VMO with a beautiful 7-pound bass on the long. We only had 2 or 3 drifts, it was just a little stop before we went off species hunting. As we arrived at our main species mark, you can see I was fishing 3 down. That means 3 below the lead, so they're on the floor. I'm using small hooks, loads of bling, strips of squid and a little bit of ragworm. You see me now lowering it down nice and gentle. Yeah then.
A bite? There was a bite, yeah.
Went off, did it? Bang, bang, bang.
Did it? Lead's well in there.
That's weird. It's all sand here.
That might not be.
That's a fish. That's a fish. While James was playing tug of war with the bottom, that bite you just seen resulted in this lovely bream. It's not massive compared to the South Coast side, but for me, a bream in the Bristol Channel is a result. Yeah, against tide. Could be a towpan. Yeah, that's a tope. That's a tote.
How heavy trace have you got?
50 or 80.
Enjoy it where you can.
Yeah. Suppose it could have been, couldn't it?
Yeah. As you've just seen in the clip,
£200
Scotty
one back
has
was
been
my
slammed over by a tote. Unfortunately for himself, he's only got a £60 hook length, which as we all know is mincemeat to a tote. This could possibly be his first ever tote. Let's see how he does.
Got that wind knot.
I got my knots.
Go on, stay on.
It's nice to see it.
Yeah.
I like a big tote. Proper fish, isn't it?
Yeah. Trying this, but what are these rods here?
Don't mind, they're right down out of the way.
Can we?
I can drop them down if you want.
What's ground here?
Yeah, that's where we swapped. Yeah, I will, mate, that's fine. That'll be okay.
It's always nice to see something else screaming at us. Scott, yeah? Yeah. That's what I reckon. Chewing out of glory, all yours.
Yeah, he's a nice one. That's a nice tote.
Lovely fish, mate.
As you just seen, Scotty was incredibly lucky to land that fish. It was actually just hooked in the lip. None of the snood or nylon was in its mouth. Well done, Scotty. Next cast he also had a ling. What a day he was having. Filming you both now. Oh, James.
Oh, get in there, James.
Is that on that painting?
Done it in a one. Oh, he's got a little ballon.
Rassing.
I'll go round there.
My rassing. Do you want to see my rass?
See your ass?
That was a no, I think, James.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel particularly impressive, but
Oh
it
no.
is. No surprises. That was a pout, actually, Skip.
Here's a picture of James Wigglesworth with a rock goby. This was species number 13 for the day. We still had another mark to go to. Well done, James. So we've just dropped into our third mark. We're going to have a little fish for some rays. What do you think our chances are, James?
I think we'll catch some.
Yeah?
I genuinely do. Yeah.
Yeah, can you show us your setup, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got a 3-up flapper with no weight on it.
Yeah, lovely.
We don't need weight, it's almost tied in the Bristol channel. Which will be up tided.
Yeah?
And that'll pin flat to the floor once I've got a long bow in the line. And I've got 3 down rig there with a hook up on the end.
So a free down, what does that mean?
So 3 hooks pinned along the bottom.
Okay.
Squid and sandeel baits.
Yeah?
That's how we do things up here.
Right, let's leave you to get on and fish.
Thanks very much.
Thank you, mate.
James, you were right. I mean,
Yeah.
we should have stuck with 4 fish.
Yeah.
We know. It's the bottom, wasn't it? There's a fast fish on there.
Yeah. Them. Yeah, he's on, isn't he? He's on, son.
Wrong way, son.
Oh, well, get the drag out yet, mate. No weight yet, no weight yet. Weight on.
Fish on. Show me how to do it properly. That's not right. I must have thrown in the line, but It's going down tide. Little thing, isn't it? Oh. Spotted. Yeah, that's why I kept the scratching rig on that.
Ah, spotted.
Go on.
Want a picture or?
No, he's right. You can go back, mate. Thanks, Dave.
Yeah, it's fishing a bit like South Coast boys. I don't know what's going on.
Well, my arm's hanging off here.
Yeah, mine comes up a lot easier when you pull in yours.
Yeah, well, we'll be
What
together
about
then,
mine?
won't we, sunshine? Nice small like this.
Too many fish today, too many
Lot.
fish. That's the trouble with all this stuff, it's just too many fish.
Yeah.
How are we in together?
Pick up another one here.
Boat swinging.
So this massive fish pulling the boat round.
Look at the way they're both swimming in unison.
Oh, look at the size of it. They're two rays.
They're both on yours.
Yeah, I expect so.
Believe it or not, you're just about to watch James Wigglesworth have a cracking
Yeah, there's
double
mine.
shot of a spotted and a blonde ray. Great work, James.
I'm just going to walk backwards. That is a nice one.
London is spotted.
I got the lead. Sorry, mate. What do you reckon of that then, Jane?
Well, I think that's blooming brilliant.
That's a lovely double shot.
Look at that.
Look at that.
There's a hook in the net there.
Oh, there always is.
Right, let's get these off a minute.
Well, to be fair, I don't think we can top that. A double shot of a blonde ray and a spotted ray. Well done, James Wigglesworth. On the day, we had 16 species and a right laugh, and that is what it's all about. Special mention to Dave Roberts of Alley Cat, based in Minehead, cracking skipper, lovely boat, and definitely put us on the fish. Thanks for watching my video. As I always say, if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and that'll encourage me to get out even more. See you soon. Cheers.